Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. I have a new toy for you, check it out. It's a construction site set. It's by Majorette. It's got a lot of pieces, check it out. You've got trucks, excavator, signs, a cement truck. You've got a front loader, and look at this, stoplights too. Cool. Super awesome. Let's open it up and play with it. You get a mat with it too. We have work to do. Green means go. Patrick, are you joining us?
Yeah,
cool.
What are we doing?
We're playing with these construction vehicles. Check them out.
What's this one for?
Look at this. This is a big truck. It loads. We've got a bunch of green rocks. I think they're from... Are they from Mars? This one says, careful, it's slippery here. Stop, don't go anywhere. Well, I don't think we need that sign right now. Construction sign.
What's this sign for?
This one you can attach it to another sign and it works well on this yield sign.
Because there's nothing on it. Beep, 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 beep. Meteor's coming.
They're bouncy. Oh my god. This is a big mess.
Just came out.
Yeah, those of you who don't know, Patrick is filming Ni no Kuni 2 right now. He's part of Patrick Minecraft Adventures. I'll link that in the description and also at the end of the video, so be sure to check out his fun videos. Oh my god.
Let's put the big tree first.
That's heavy duty.
Cabin like this so it's facing like this. Then pull the trailer up. Turn the truck like this, then just lift up.
So this locks into place. You have to turn it and then it unhooks. And then you turn it again to set it back into place. These are die cast, by the way. Just twist all the way around. And it's got a working scoop too. Awesome construction vehicles. And what do we have in there, Patrick? I think there's a clue. Did you bury something for us? It's hidden treasure.
To open it.
Can you open it for us? It's a Play-Doh surprise. We've got a backhoe in there. It's been missing in action from our construction site. I was wondering, where did it go?
Put the scoop in there.
Yeah! Awesome, guys. This was so much fun. Thanks for watching. Have you subscribed? Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Click here for more fun videos. See you guys next time. Bye, everyone.